In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to calibrate the DJI Drone gimbal. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Calibrating the DJI Drone gimbal ensures smooth and stable footage by correcting any misalignment. It also improves the accuracy of the camera's movements for better performance during flight. To begin using the drone, you'll first need to power it on. Look at the aircraft, and behind it, you will find a switch. Simply press the switch, and the drone will turn on automatically. Once powered up, you can check its controller interface. On the monitor, you'll notice a triple dot icon located in the top right corner. Click on this icon, and a menu will appear with several options, including safety control, camera transmission, and more. Among these, you need to select the option labeled Control. Once in the Control section, scroll down a little, and you will find the option for Gimbal Calibration. Click on it to access the gimbal settings. To initiate the gimbal calibration, you must click on the white button on the calibration page. Once clicked, the calibration process will begin. While the calibration is happening, you'll be able to see the percentage progress on the screen. You'll also notice the gimbal, which is attached to the drone, making some movements. It will first shift from left to right and then from right to left. These movements are part of the calibration procedure. Once the calibration is completed successfully, the gimbal will stop moving and the process will be finished. At this point, your drone should be ready for further use. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.